In today's video, I'm going to talk about a famous, interesting book called How to Create a Kick-Ass Brand, authored by David Thyerman. Speaking, consulting, book. David Thyerman is a triple threat in the world of business, in the field of branding and marketing. His best-selling, award-winning book, world famous How to Create a Kick-Ass Brand, thrust him into the forefront of highly sought-out after keynote speaker and consultant. And since its release, David has received thousands of emails from thousands of readers thanking him for literally changing the way they do business. In short, David guides the reader in an entertaining, lively, and step-by-step way to how anybody can differentiate their business authentically by building a unique kick-ass brand identity. Before reading this book, we all should know what is brand. Take Coke and Pepsi as an example. Two giants in the world of dark, sweet, sticky sodas. Their ingredients and taste are pretty similar. In fact, most people could not tell the difference between the Coke and Pepsi taste when the drink was unlabeled. However, when the drink were labeled, the people showed a strong brand preference. A research found that there were measurable difference between the demography of the Coke fans and versus the Pepsi fan. For example, Coke fans like visiting art gallery and eating sushi, where the Pepsi fans prefer watching TV and eat junk foods. This is why create a brand identity is so powerful. When people are asked why they choose a product A over product B, they come up with all sort of rationalizations. They give reasons based on the product tangible features, but there are something else driving their decision. That is something the power of brand identity. Brand identity is something beyond the characteristics of the brand or the beyond a logo or color scheme. So what is it? Brand identity is exit outside the product or market trade, has a distinct personality and style, has a distinct unique quality even if the uniqueness lies in the association it generates. And it generates a association and a feeling, inform every interaction customer has have with the company and make customer think that the product, not the product, about the brand. Is something people will happily pay a premium price for the product where come from the famous brand. In the world of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, branding is what people say about you when you are not in the room. Give your business a world famous identity. Business is not just a transaction, it is an experience. There are mass of people just want to do business with you once they are so inspired. People do more business with people and companies that engage them in the purchasing experience. When you attach meaning to the act of doing business with you, you stand out from the crowd. World famous reveals that enormous possibility awaits once you put your energy into inspiring rather than selling. Businesses are not also not about magic or tricks. It's all about finding meaning, inspiring masses, and create something that make people want to line up to work with you. How to create a kick-ass brand? Explore the complex world of businesses and the importance of authenticity while building a unique and world-famous brand identity. Filled with real-life stories, anecdotes, the inspiring books arms you with a way to command true loyalty and attract more attention to your business than ever before. This step-by-step approach will ensure that your business will stand out. Work to inspire rather than sell. Be authentic rather than try to fit in. Engage your marketplace rather than focusly solely on your competitors. David morphed his business of selling antique into Propaganda Incorporation, a visual branding company. He has worked with some of the best-known global brands, including Nike, Tommy Hilfiger, Polo, and Disney. In 2000, he sold his business to focus on speaking, consulting, writing, and guiding entrepreneurs and small businessmen. Success isn't about being perceived as the best at what you do, it's about being perceived as the only who does what you do. Being number one has been primary goal of majority of the people. At one time, it was my goal too, until I learned that there is something more better than being number one. That's right. There is a higher goal, a more rewarding goal, a goal that can be differentiated between a mediocrity and brilliance and between pennies and millions. The goal is simply to stand out from as the obvious choice, the only choice in the heart and mind of your market. Effective branding is not a mystery that only a chosen few will solve. It's not reserved for celebrities, giant corporations, or not for the wealthy. Anyone, even you can create a effective brand identity that compels people to do business with you. You will pull this off. You can amaze your customer and your colleagues. Most of all, you will amaze the best person in the world. The best person is you. The author explains by engaging in the process of discovery by following five steps to create a kick-ass brand identity. Step 1. Dare to be different. To stand out from the crowd, to create a brand identity that is authentic and meaningful. Dare yourself. Dare to go forward despite your fear of failure. Dare to get creative when you are challenged. Dare to try again, to push on, to pursue. Dare to hold fast your dreams no matter what happens. Step 2. Discover the power of super niche. Learn why people buy, what inspires the brand loyalty, and get to know the target market in your powerful way. Step 3. A define differentiation. Determine the three essential words that encapsulate your brand identity and get the playground and the promise of your brand. Step 4. Adding value. Transform problem into opportunity to add value to your brand. Step 5. Ready, set, engage. Use the new brand identity to connect with your marketplaces. World famous is not about being perfect, acceptable, and specifically clean. World famous is about positioning yourself for success. In business, we are presented with numerous opportunity to succeed and growth. We can learn from going it for every time, even if we make mistakes. With the sweat rolling down our backs and our stomach churning, we push our fear and dare to stand out and be counted. That is what world famous is. How many of the system, promises, practices, and behavior of your business emulated rather than being a wow that present a energy and attitude of your own unique, world famous brand? Maybe those commonalities are part of your unique personality, your authentic self. But have you ever thought about it? Isn't it possible the way you say, the product you buy, and things you do just because everyone else does? You are a unique and a authentic person. Your business is unique and authentic. Let it shine. Even small dab can generate a huge dividend if they come from a place of authenticity. So rather than focus all of your energy legitimating your business, finding way to set your business apart from your competitor. Don't waste your time on status quo. It's boring and it's very costly and it's not worth it also. This is an excellent book for entrepreneurs who have trouble narrow down their focus, finding their niche and branding their business. I find this book is very interesting and most useful. So I recommend everyone to read this book. Thank you.